Okay, dear students, today we have to discuss the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar social justice approach. We know about the Ambedkar is the constitutional writer of India. He wrote a constitution for the Indian government. He gave the best intimation and information for the people. So Ambedkar is well known in the worldwide. He got the good name in the world. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's vision social justice for the women, child, caste and scheduled tribe, scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. The concept of social justice, like law, change it is evaluates itself into progressively new pattern and expands its parameters and assumes new dimension. Social justice has a significance in the context of Indian society, which is divided into caste and communities, and they create walls and barriers of exclusiveness on the basis of superiority and inferiority. Such inequalities pose serious threat to Indian democracy. The inequality poses serious the threat to Indian democracy. The concept of social justice takes within its sweeps to the objectives of removing uh, inequalities and affording equal opportunities to all citizens in social, economic, and political efforts. India, while passing through the process of development, is in the quest for finding our ways for a better and a just socio-economic order. The search for a new model of social economic order is the need of the hour. Recent trends in globalization, urbanization, mobilization of the poor in search for better life. Conditions and social justice movements compels us to think oppress. Social justice is a application of the uh, concept of distributive justice to the wealth, assets, privileges, and advantages that accumulate within a society or state, because the essence of a justice is the attainment of the common goods as a distinguished from the goods of individuals, even of the majority. There have been two major conceptions of social justice, one embodying the nation of merit and desert, the other those of needs and equality. The first conception invalues ending of a heredity, privileges, and an open society in which people have the chance to display their desert. It is expressed in equality of opportunity and chance to display their desert. It is expressed in equality of opportunities and careers open to talents. The second conception implies that goods should be allocated according in each person's varied needs, as it aims to make people materially equally. It essential on ideas of inequality. Inequality. Social justice involves the creation of just and fair social order, just and fair to one and all. To make the social order just and fair for every member of the community, it may be necessary, necessary for the who are privileged to make some sacrifices. In this sense, social justice is a revolutionary ideal. It includes both the economic justice and social justice in India. Justice is a generic term which includes both procedural and substantive justice. The former providing rules of court procedures and mechanism, what is generally known as natural justice, and the latter making provisions of social assistance, benefits, facilities, concessions, privileges, and special rights to those who deserve and need such help, describes by the Omnibus term social justice. Social justice in India is the product of social justice. Our caste system and social structures is the functions head for social injustice. It is unfortunate that even 60 years after independence, independence uh, of pursued head for the administration activities. So that is the main social justice in India is the product of a social injustice. Our caste system and social structure is the function, put fountain head for social justice. It is unfortunately this system, the administration activities, social injuries, our caste system, and the social structure is the fountain head for social injustice. It is unfortunate that even 60 years after independence, special justice is still a distant dream, not with the reach of the masses. The scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, and women under the traditional Hindu caste hierarchy had suffered for a centuries without education and opportunities for advancement in the life. Social justice is a compensatory justice to offset the accumulated disabilities suffered by these historically disadvantaged sections of a society, and observe them educationally and occupationally in the maintain, mainstream of a nation life. If opportunities are not given to develop their neglected talents, there will be social imbalance and tension, resulting in anarchy and disobedience to rule of law. Meaning and definitions: social justice being a multi-dimensional concept has been viewed by scholars of law, philosophy, and political science differently. The term social justice is a quite comprehensive social injustice, a bundle of rights. It is balanced wheel between the have between haves and have-nots. It is a great social values in providing a stable society and in securing the unity of the country. In general, social justice may be defined as the right of the weak, aged, distribute poor women, children, and other underprivileged persons. According to Dias, justice is not something which can be captured in a formula once for all. It is a process complex and shifting balance between many factors. The tasks justice are the just allocation of advantages and disadvantages, preventing the abuse of power, preventing the abuse of a liberty, the just decision of a dispute, and adapting to change. Justice may be a natural justice or a distributive justice. Social justice is basically a term which provides sustenance to the rule of law. It has a wider commentation in the sense that it includes economic justice also. So, it aims in removing all kinds of inequalities and offering equal opportunities to all citizens in social as well as economic efforts. Thus, the aim of social justice is remove all kinds of inequalities based upon caste, race, sex, power, positive positions, wealth, and bring about equal distribution of the social justice is a balance between social rights and social controls according to utilitarian utilitarian social justice is being one of the dimension of a justice which stands for a fraternity with a view create such women social conditions which ensure free and fair development of all human beings. In fact, the term may requires a preparational treatment for certain sections of the populations who has been derived of certain values for age with a view to bring them on a equal footing other sections of the population. According to John Rawls, the concept of social justice is all social primary goods, liberty and opportunity, income and wealth and the basis of self. Surrendering Dr. Ambedkar contributed to social justice EDT by Professor M. Sabbir Rawat of January 2005. The Nazir and Khan B.R. Ambedkar on federalism, ethnicity, and gender justice, deep and deep public in respect are to be distributed equality unless an unequal distribution of any or all of these goods is to be the advantages of the least favored. The context of the social primary goods specified by Rawls are of particular importance for the fair distribution of them, namely liberty and opportunity, income and wealth, and basis of self-respect in a society will undoubtedly help to achieve the much needed social justice. Another important aspects of his theory is that while laying emphasis on the equal distribution of the social primary goods, he envisages an unequal distribution of the social primary goods. If such unequal distribution is to the advantage of the least favored in envisaging such unequal distribution of the social primary goods to benefit the least favored in the society. John Ravis has displayed a great sense of programmatism. He rightly felt that equal distribution of the social primary goods in an unequal or a hierarchical society would result in perpetuating the already existing inequality, and the social justice would become a carry in the wilderness. The least favored in every society must be given initial advantages to compete with the most favored in the society by the unequal distribution of society primary goods to the advantage of the least favored. In enhancing the new rivals seems to have anticipated the doctrine of a protective discrimination embodied in the Constitution of India. Another important justice whose writing have great impact on the concept of social justice is Roscoe found. He classifies three legally protected interests, and they are public interests, social interests, and private interests. In social interests, he enumerates six important social interests, and his six principles of social interest is very relevant to the concept of social justice. According to the sixth principles, there is social interest in the individual human life, which is described by him as the claim or want or demand invalued in John Rawls' theory of a justice universal law New Delhi, uh, federation of the legal theory of the Ambedkar social life in civilized societies, that each individuals be able to uh, live a human life. There is according to the standards of the society. This principle is considered as by Roscoe found the most important of all justice. Krishna Iyer, a former judge of the Supreme Court of India, says social justice is not but conscience, not verbal borrowing for like documents, but the social force of the supreme law. Social justice is people oriented. Legal legal justice is a colonized, controlled, and conferred by law. uh, Social justice, the product of social injustice, and seeks to remove social and economic inequities and ensure equality of status, equality of opportunities. Social justice of today becomes the legal justice of tomorrow. The Supreme Court has explained the concept of social justice. The Constitution commands justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity as supreme values to share in uh, egalitarian social, economic, and political democracy. Social justice, equality, and dignity of a persons are cornerstones of social democracy. The concept of social justice, which the Constitution of India integrated, constitutes of diverse principles essential for the ordinary growth and development personality of every citizen. Social justice is thus an integral part of justice in the generic sense. Justice is a genus of which social justice is one of its species. Social justice is a dynamic diverse to mitigate the suffering of the poor, weak, Dalits, tribes, and deprived sections of the society. Dr. Ambedkar vision. Ambedkar is also one of the uh, proponents of a social justice in modern India. According to Ambedkar, the term social justice is based upon equality, liberty, and fraternity of all human beings. The aim of social justice is to remove all kinds of inequality based upon caste, race, sex, power, positions. Freedom W Legal Theory, 5th edition, Universal Law Public, issued the published of the administration of the legal principle of the uh, Ambedkar's administration principle on social justice, and the wealth, the social justice bring equal distribution of the social, political, and economical resources of the community. Ambedkar was the chief architect of the Indian Constitution. He was fully aware of the pattern and problems of the Indian society, the aspiration of the different sections of the society and their conflicting interests. He tried to achieve social justice and social democracy in forms of one man, one value. He treated social justice as a true basis for patriotism and nationalism. Ambedkar did not accept the uh, theories of social justice as propounded by the Varna system, the Aristotelian order, Plato's scheme, Gandhian Sarvodaya order, and not even the proletarian socialism of a Marx. The contents of a Ambedkar's concept of social justice included unity and equality of all human beings, equal worth of men and women, respect for the weak and the lowly, regard for human rights, benevolence, mutual love, sympathy, tolerance, and charity towards fellow being women, treatment in all cases, dignity of all citizens, abolition of caste distinctions, education and property for all, and goodwill and gentleness. He emphasized more on fraternity and emotional integration. His view on social justice was to remove man made inequalities of all shades through law, morality, and public conscience. He stood for justice for a sustainable society. According to Dr. Ambedkar, the root cause of a social injustice to the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes is the caste system in Hindu society. He observed castes are enclosed units and it is their conspiracy with clear conscience that compels the excommunicated to make themselves into a caste. The logic of their obdurate circumstances is merciless, and it is in ab- abundance to it's a force that some unfortunate group find unfortunate group find themselves closed out, with the result that now groups by a mechanical law are constantly being converted into a caste in a widen in a constant in being converted into caste in the widening multiplicity. He further maintained that the root of a untouchability is the caste system, and the root of the caste system is religion. The root of the social justice of the caste system is the very religion attached to varnasrama varnasrama and the root of the varnasrama is the Brahmanism. The root of Brahmanism lies with the political power. Dr. Ambedkar's social vision is reflective in his own words as an economic system permits exploitation without obligation. Untouchability is not only a system of uh, unmitigated economics exploitation, but it is also a system of uncontrolled economic exploitation. That is because there is no independent public opinion to condemn it, and there is no impartial machinery of administration to restrain it. There is no check from the police or the judiciary for the simple reasons that they are all down from the Hindus and takes side of exploiters. To the Ambedkar, real democracy was a social democracy. According to him, it is essential to realize that political democracy cannot succeed where there is no social and economic democracy. He pleaded the realize of economic and social democracy in India for political democracy was unreal, preceded by economic and social democracy. Dr. Ambedkar said we must begin by acknowledging the fact that there is a complete absence of two things in Indian society. One of these, equality, is one on the social plan. We have in India a society based on the principle of graded inequality, which means evaluation for some and degradation for others. On the economic plan, we have to society in which there are some who have immense wealth as against many who lies in abject poverty. How long shall we continue to live this life of a contradiction? How long shall we continue to deny it for long? We will do so only by putting our political democracy in uh, peril. We must remove this contradiction to at the earliest possible movement, or those who suffer from inequality will blow off the structure of political democracy. His philosophy was occupied with social amelioration, political enlightenments, and spiritual awakening. For this, it is attached due importance to the economic well-being of the masses. To him, political thought embodied a social dynamism because of man's attitude to animals and social being. He had deep faith in fundamental human rights, in the equal rights of a men and women, in the dignity of the individual, in social economic justice, in the promotion of a social progress and better standards of life with peace and security in all spheres of human life. His study of social facts enriched his political philosophy. Dr. Ambedkar was a dead against the Hindu caste structure, as he was of the view that this structure has been primarily res- responsible for committing all sorts of atrocities on the various sections of the society, particularly the weaker sections, scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. He was against Manusmriti, as it gives a blank check to the Brahmanism to commit all sorts of atrocities on scheduled castes and scheduled tribes and justice their evil designs. So this is the main administration activities of the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the important person to creating the suffering of administration activities of the people in the religion attached to Varnasrama. The Varnasrama has to give the main administration activity of the principles in the organization. So this is the fact of a Ambedkar's administration activities.